Hello, so this is a wonderful question that we are given. We want to see how we can answer this particular question. The question is falling under chemical bonding. So let's see how we are going to revise through. Let's see how we are going to answer this particular question. The question is saying atoms of J and K have 8 and 12 electrons respectively. That is what you are given. So this is to tell you that J is having 8 electrons, K is having 12 electrons. That is the meaning. So we now go to this first question that is telling us to say determine the formula of the compound or molecule formed by the combination of. So when we combine J and K, what compound or molecule is being formed? So they want us to come up with the correct chemical formula. So you know and understand that when J is having 8 electrons, so 8 electrons, for us to come up with the electronic configuration, it is just 2 and 6. This is to tell you that for J to be stable, it must gain 2 electrons. So it is J like that, then 2. Since it is gaining 2, I put a minus there. I go to a K, electronic configuration for K. What is the electronic configuration for K? That is 12. So it is 282. That is the electronic configuration. So meaning this one it is losing 2 electrons. So it is K, then I put 2, then a plus, showing that it is losing 2 electrons. They haven't told you to say go on the periodic table, check the names of these atoms. No, you just answer the way this particular question is. You are not supposed to go on the periodic table, you check the answer, you check the name of this like some of you have done. Quite alright, we know that this is oxygen, this is magnesium. You are not supposed to go on the periodic table. You just answer the way it is. When J and K combines, this 2 and that 2 will cancel out. We just combine the 2. We are just going to have J what? JK. So that is the answer. You're just going to have JK when J and K combines. You go to this one. What is this? What are you having here? We've got these atoms, J and J combine. So we've got J and J combine when this gets to combine. So when this gets to combine, we get to form a molecule. We are just going to have what? J 2, because this one is a molecule. So this one is a what? This one is a molecule, but that one is a what? That one is a compound. This is what you are supposed to know. In an exam, they haven't told you to say it is a molecule. No, the answer when J combine, what is formed is this. When J and K combine, what is formed is JK. You are done. This is how you are supposed to answer questions. You know that here we are having negative and positive. Here we are just having negative charges. I guess you know chemical bonding and how to go about questions of this nature. We now go to this one. In each of the cases shown in A1 and 2, so A1 and 2, name the type of chemical bond formed. They want us to name the name of the chemical bond that is formed. I go to 1. 1 is between J and K. So J and K, what is the name of that bond? The name of that bond formed, that is an ionic bond. So you say it is an ionic what? An ionic bond. You are done. You just need to answer questions like this. You go to 2. That 2, J and J. What is formed is a what? Is a covalent bond. You just say a covalent what? A covalent bond. That is a type of a bond that is formed. So we've answered this particular question. This is how you are supposed to be answering questions, just like this. This is so simple, isn't it? Then you move now to the last question. This is our last question. What are we taught? Give 2 physical properties of the compound formed in A1. So A1 is this one that is here. This is an ionic bond, or rather an ionic compound. So one of the properties of ionic compounds is that they conduct electricity. So you need to tell them that they are good conductors. So I'll say they conduct. So they conduct heat and electricity. Heat and what? Heat and electricity. That's a property we are supposed to know. Second, you need to know that they've got melting high melting and boiling point. High melting and boiling what? Boiling point. So the answers are a lot. In this case, we are just told to list or to give two properties. So these are the two properties. They conduct heat and electricity. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. They've got high melting and boiling points. You are done. This is how you are supposed to answer this particular question. So those of you that are interested in starting tuitions with me, you are a GCE candidate for next year 2025 or 2026. You are in grade 11, you are entering into grade 12, or you are a grade 12. This is Harrison J. Zulu Tutor. I'm here to help you get a distinction in these subjects that you are rewriting, which are science, mathematics, and biology. So those interested, only those interested can WhatsApp me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. So if you want to start, you can WhatsApp me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. So you get to WhatsApp me on this number. It's just an affordable fee monthly. You 100 kwacha monthly. You pay, then I get to help you. If you're having 2 subjects, it's 150. If you're having 3 subjects, you just need to pay a 200. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for learning with me. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me.